Thanks for joining me today for Wednesdays at Lorts. Today is a special edition. Today I'll be sharing our September 2022 new introductions. We have 8 items that I'm really excited to show you, so let's get started. Our first item is the 6-drawer chest. I love this chest. At 72 inches, space for storage won't be an issue. With our natural finish and standard distressing, it shows the beauty of what a one-of-a-kind item looks like when natural is used on alder. You, of course, can choose any one of our finishes, and it can morph into something that can look very modern to very organic. And this 60-inch cocktail table with its angled legs looks very stylized, dark, and moody with our espresso finish. Of course, with a lighter finish, it would take on a whole new flair. I love the look, the angles, the sizing that can fill a space with a modern feel with not being too overwhelming. Our species of choice is typically alder, as it takes a stain extremely well, but this cocktail and end table duo is shown using a walnut species with our natural finish, so you can see the spectacular grain. The cocktail table is 42 inches round, and the end table is 22 inches round in diameter. You can specify these tables in alder, but with the walnut and natural finish combo, these spectacular tables take on a mid-century feel, and I'm just loving this retro vibe. The next item is a Lorts classic that we've brought back to life. We've really seen a return of all things family in the last couple of years. Families just seem to be spending more time together these days, and what better way to do that than playing games on your own checkerboard table? The measurement is 38 inches, which gives just enough room to play while having a snack or two. Along with spending time together as a family, people have been sprucing up their homes for gathering. How amazing would it be to have a sleek 87.5-inch long buffet that held 16 bottles of wine that give you 6 drawers of space for all your entertaining needs? And you get to choose your finish and hardware? Amazing! The last of our new introductions is an amazing piece, a TV lift cabinet with rustic barnwood. Best of technology and rustic charm put together. It's one of our favorites that has passed through our factory recently. Great functionality, great hardware, great looks. At 59 inches wide, 18 deep, and 36 high, it would be great for any room. I'm so excited for these new introductions. Style that's made to order just for you. Thank you for joining me today. And if you have any questions about these or any of our offerings, just give us a call. See you next time.